Step 2 of the hamburger method. This is heart coherence. So focus on your heart like it's the star of the show. When you take breaths, imagine your breath breathing in through your heart and expanding it. And when you breathe out, imagine that air coming out of your heart. Breathe in, breathe out. Think of something that makes you feel all warm and fuzzy, just to take that experience to the next level. And if you want to give yourself or some friends a hug for their brains, put your hand on your heart and just enjoy those breaths. Notice what's happening. And I'll see you in the next video.